told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, as I told you in the previous video, I need to do some service on my daily car. And in this video I will be replacing my fuel filter. This is my Alfa 159. So guys, I have to service a few things, as I told you before, because I'm waiting a few parts to finish the project of the Volkswagen Polo, and I need to service this one. So I take the chance to record a few more tips on this Alfa, things that you can do at home, of course. This is also like a 5-10 minute service. It's really easy, you can do it by yourself at home. You don't need any special tools. So let's replace this fuel filter, okay? Go.
No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So guys, as you can see, it's pretty easy to remove. You just unplug the two connectors and this sensor right here. This sensor is the sensor that detects water and the temperature of the fuel. So we need to remove this to transfer to the new fuel filter. So guys, don't forget one thing: when you remove the sensor from the old filter, will be full of fuel, of course. So don't forget to drop or to a tank or something, because it will drop a lot of fuel. But then you remove the sensor, give it a clean, and you need to transfer to the new one, okay? So let's install the new one on the new filter. So guys, as you can see, this is like 10 minutes maybe to replace the fuel filter. It don't make any sense that you cannot replace at home. And in the next video probably I will also upload another video with the Alfa before I finish the Volkswagen Polo, because it's missing, you know, small things to fix. But I will try to, you know, make one video with that, all small things. So guys, I hope this video could help you somehow. As usual, see you soon, stay tuned.